Welcome to the future of campus synchronization. We are Team UniSync. In a world where academic information is scattered across fragmented WhatsApp groups and paper machine notice boards, we saw a need for a single immutable source of truth. Today, we aren't just showing you a web app. We are showing you a bridge between administrative efficiency and student success.
Before we dive into how we built UniSync, let me paint the real picture we discovered on campus. We didn't just start writing code, we started with data. We surveyed more than 40 students across different levels and programs, and the result was eye-opening. 70% of the students admitted they had missed class because of the last-minute venue change or the timetable updates. Also, every student said they wasted time now hunting through multiple WhatsApp groups looking for the correct version of the lecture notes. This creates massive redundancy, confusion, and frustration. UniSync was born to close that gap once and for all. We are moving the academic life of GTUC from chaotic chats to a secured official database everyone can trust. One source of truth, real-time updates, and no more guesswork. This is the reason why we built UniSync.
Developing a platform with 7 engineers during the high-pressure semester demanded more than just technical skills. It required discipline and a rock-solid system. That is why we enforced the strict Scrum framework from the very beginning. Over 9 focus sprints, we progressed step by step from rough wireframes and database modeling all the way to a live production-ready deployment. We ran our daily stand-ups on Zoom. Quick, honest updates every morning so that no one got blocked for long. On the code side, GitHub was our single source of truth. Features branches from every task, mandatory pull request with at least 1 review, merge main only after passing our checks. As QA, I helped define and enforce our definition of done. No feature could go live until it met these non-negotiables. Passing all functional and edge case tests, code reviewed by at least 1 team member, automated security checks, basic static analysis, plus manual RSL validation. Full team consensus, no it works on my machine excuses. This rigorous process gave us confidence that every increment was stable, secured, and actually delivered value to GCTU users. That's how 7 of us stayed aligned and shipped a quality product under real semester pressure. Now let me hand over to Juris to explain the back-end architecture in detail.
Jenkins here. Let's talk about what's under the hood. We built UniSync on a solid stack: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end, powered by Supabase for our backend as a service. Question is, why Supabase? Well, Supabase provides us with the power of PostgreSQL with real-time capabilities. Security was also non-negotiable for us. By implementing row-level security, we ensure that the students can read a timetable but never delete it, and any malicious script hitting our API directly is blocked at the database level. Authentication is managed via JW tokens, which provide a stateless secure session for every user. They act like a digital passport. Now these tokens are stateless and signed, and because of that, our backend can instantly verify a student's identity without slowing down the system, keeping our sessions both fast and secure. Looking ahead, we plan to evolve UniSync's architecture. We aim to migrate the front end to React for a more dynamic user experience and transition to a Django backend to provide even greater scalability as our user base grows.
Moving on, I'll walk you through a quick live demo so you can see how UniSync works in practice, not just in theory. I'm currently logged in as an admin, like you can see here. Let's say there's an urgent room change for a class. Instead of sending messages across multiple platforms, I can post an official notification right here. I enter the update, select the affected course, and publish. As soon as I hit publish, the alert appears instantly on the student dashboard. No refresh needed, no delay. That's because the system is connected through real-time database subscriptions, so every active user receives updates immediately. Next, I'll open the resource library. Notice how everything is already filtered by semester and course code. Students don't need to search through unrelated materials. Each file shows its title, type, size, and upload date. Download takes just 1 tap. Fast and secure. All pages are fully responsive, so the experience stays smooth on phones, tablets, and laptops, even on slower connections. That's a quick look at UniSync in action, real-time, organized, and built for everyday academic use.
UniSync is more than just a software engineering project. It's a scalable infrastructure designed to grow. Running on Supabase's cloud-native services means automatic scaling, high availability, built-in backups, and zero-downtime deploys, so the system handles scalability without performance drops. But we are not stopping here. We've already laid the architectural foundation for expansions focused on scaling the platform up for the entire school. We are even planning to add simple QR code or OTP functionality for attendance tracking. Lecturers mark attendance in real time. Students instantly see the attendance percentage, all secured with the same RLS model. Past questions bank, discussion forums, spaces for assignments, or lightweight class poll system for quick feedback for lecturers. All contribute to our goal: make UniSync the go-to daily academic companion. Under DevOps, we've already set up CI or CD pipelines via GitHub Actions, environment-specific configs for staging or production monitoring hooks, ready for super-based analytics and containerization prep. UniSync is production-grade infrastructure built and engineered to evolve with us.
Let's talk user access and authentication lifecycle. User access begins with a secure admin-controlled onboarding process. Admins enroll rosters to auto-generate profiles. Each student is assigned a bcrypt hash temporary password and an institutional email following the formats index number at live.gstu.edu.gh format. RLS ensures only authorized admins can initiate these entries. Logging in is frictionless. Users simply enter their index number and default password. Superbase auto-validates their credentials and issues a JWT for secure access. Every first-time login triggers a mandatory password change before the dashboard becomes available. If a user gets logged out, our self-service recovery takes over. A Superbase Edge function validates the index number and dispatches a secure 15 minutes UID written via email. To regain access, the system enforces a high entropy reset, requiring at least 8 characters, including an uppercase letter, a number, and a symbol. The UniSync profile interface acts as a digital command centered featuring a virtual ID card for campus verification. It allows users to toggle dark mode, manage notifications, and update security credentials. UniSync is a commitment to bridging the gap between administration and students, ensuring that every student starting with computer engineering level 300 has a digital environment to communicate, coordinate, and collaborate. We are Team UniSync, making the student experience unified.